Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. A lot of people have problems with the 850 wiper lifting off the window as it travels up toward this side. And as you can see, this one is lifting off the window there about that far up, and as it comes over further, it comes off the window further. What happens is this piece of bent metal starts to lose the original bent shape. So the cure would be to take this off, bump it, lift this off of here, take this to a vise, and bend this part of this bracket back that way so that that wiper makes contact. So we take it over to a vise or something. It doesn't have to be a vise, but somewhere where you can put it in the vise and bend this arm so that that wiper moves over about another inch. So I'm gonna vise this in here with something that won't scratch up the arm, and then show you after I get it installed. So there it is there. It's in the vise where it won't get scratched. I'm gonna push on this and move this over about an inch so that that will make contact again on the windshield. So you want to have about the last 2 or 3 inches in the vise and move this thing over. So that it makes contact. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.